Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last did a makeup video, but so get ready with me while I don't go nowhere. So first let me go with my toner. So there is this salicylic toner that I use on my skin. Hello fam, I'm back with another makeup video. So this look was just something of head. I didn't prep anything, but I based on the kind of hair that I have. I don't know if that's red or maroon, or like I'm colorblind probably. So I looked out for something that would really work out and complement me. I was listening to nice music while doing my makeup, and all the products that I used can be found in pharmacies. I don't use so many like expensive products. Honestly, I do not, because I'm no longer a professional mower, but I had taken so long without doing makeup, so I was just bored and I tried out this look. It came out because I'm not going to say the way it was supposed to come out, because I didn't have like a replica. I wasn't looking at something. I was just being me, doing what I want. And I keep checking out on myself if I still got the skill, because you know, this is life. You never know what it has for us. But when you're doing your eyebrow, you have to conceal so that it pops out in the right way, and you need to conceal so good because you need that base for your foundation, sorry, for your eyeshadow. So make sure you apply a good amount of the product. So don't be so mean and don't use too much product, and you should definitely be having fun the way I was having fun. So in this video, you're gonna see I took like it, I took to myself like a look that I wanted that can complement my hair, my skin color, and it was a good one. I just did what what I wanted to do, the kind of mood I had at that time. So nothing to script, nothing to anyways. I just had a moment of my life, so I'm gonna let you watch this video. I love you all guys. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell to get notified once I upload a brand new video. I love you all. Be blessed. Bye. So I put on the eyelashes of camera and I was cleaning up there. When you are cleaning up, you can use the eyeshadow that you put in that particular area, because it improves on the uniformity. I don't know, for some reason I got a hard time putting on the lashes. It took me like a minute or so, but I usually take less time, the time when I used to be so like doing the makeup. I applied my foundation. This foundation, liquid foundation, is so nice. It's called Katil, something like that. I bought it in Kuwait. There is a brand that had makeup for black women, and it was amazing. It was good. I apply, it's a full coverage, so you are sorted out on anything. So after that step, you can put on concealer on the other areas, and at this particular stage you have to blend everything into your skin. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video, then we'll explain a few things later on, but you have to blend. That is a setting powder I put on. So you have to still blend, 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 and blend and blend. You guys, it doesn't stop because this video alone took me like 30 minutes. So don't be fooled by how short it is. Okay, I love you guys. I love this look. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to get notified once I upload a brand new video. I used very affordable products that you can get anywhere. So enjoy this video.